Folks, we've been using this Monopoly gun. Okay, that's a really shitty Monopoly gun to give us virtual Monopoly money on a channel for a long time. And the Monopoly gods have felt pity on us because we have a real Monopoly set now. Finally. So this is in collaboration with Ledger. This is not even a joke. This is like a real, proper Monopoly branded Monopoly set. And we're gonna unbox it and check it out all together. So let's bring Ron and Natalie here.
Whoa!
Whoa! Wait a minute, Natalie.
Hi!
It's been a long time.
Yep.
Also, you're tiny. Can tiny people play Monopoly?
That's
They can be the set.
You know what?
Alright, we have to give you some Monopoly money to keep you here. Here. It's the best we can make out in this times of poor Bitcoin prices.
Michael isn't even wearing shoes today.
Not even wearing
No
shoes.
money for shoes.
Alright, but we have time for Monopoly. We have money for Monopoly and we have time for Monopoly. This is actually included in their set, so they have a Monopoly set and they have a Ledger set. And if you guys know, we've been using Ledgers on this channel since like 2016. And we're still not rich yet. Well, maybe one of us. Alright, cool guys. So let's check it out.
Yes, guys. I actually thought this was a joke at first when Ledger posted on April Fool's Day about a Monopoly Bitcoin set with Ledger Flex, but this is real. The bundle includes a limited edition Bitcoin Monopoly set, Ledger Flex, and BTC vouchers up to $500. This bundle is the perfect opportunity to upgrade to the latest technology for Bitcoin security. And this is really cool because from the first BTC block to mass adoption, this bundle celebrates Bitcoin's legacy while ensuring secure self-custody moving forward. So yeah guys, if you're interested in this limited edition bundle set, the link to purchase one is down in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, back to the video.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Fiat!
Well, fiat. Oh, 1 Bitcoin.
Bitcoin,
Whoa.
wow.
Well, it's actually 1 Bitcoin. Hey, you can actually be rich now.
Finally.
Imagine if this is an actual Bitcoin.
I can finally own 1 Bitcoin.
Oh, let me see what the money is. So this is our fake Monopoly money. Alright, we've been using this for years. This is the real fake Monopoly money. Bitcoin edition. This is not like the ones that you buy in Toys R Us. This is like...
Okay, so we have a ledger.
Whoa.
We have a ledger. And then we have a bullet. What is it?
Moon rocket.
Oh, moon.
Moon and rocket.
Not a bullet. It's moon and rocket.
Alright, cool. Let's see what else is there inside. What are the properties? Can you introduce the properties? Like
Yeah,
what?
let's see. What do they got?
See.
BTC crosses 50K, crosses 10K, crosses 1K. Bitcoin Pizza Day. I was really expecting like blockchains.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Or some organizations. That'd be nice.
I guess it had to be like focused.
Mm.
Oh, that's suggestions for the next one.
With the help of Satoshi, you get out of jail free.
Oh wow! We should Roger Ver should have one of those right now.
And then electricity bill, probably for like the miners.
Oh yeah.
And then thanks to coin tracking, you've saved on your crypto taxes. Oh, you just received a ledger. Your BTC will now be secure anymore.
In real life?
Oh shit!
In real
wish
life?
I wish I had
real
that in 2012.
Yeah.
I didn't use a USB. You used the USB. You lost all your Bitcoin. Bye.
You lost the keys to your Bitcoin wallet. Not
Oh.
your keys, not your coin.
Oh!
Do you hear that? You know, people
Oh,
always
the
do their,
microphone's technically
people
over there.
always do their unboxing like this now.
Oh
ASMR.
yeah. Professional. There's two by the way.
And then I dropped the iPhone. Remember that?
There's two. You have to rip the other one.
Oh shit.
Alright, rip it.
Again.
Alright, you gotta replay. Oh, that's pretty good. I can hear it.
Yeah.
You just won.
$1 of Bitcoin.
Scratch to reveal your Bitcoin code.
Show it to the camera. Scratch it.
Do you even want that?
Your $1 of Bitcoin is waiting for you.
$1 of Bitcoin.
Oh,
Keyword.
they give you a QR code to help you learn how to get your Bitcoin.
Or infect your computer with a virus.
Yep.
Keyword. You're now in control.
Oh.
Only Ledger does that. Okay?
Okay. So this is what it looks like. Welcome to Ledger. Oh, this looks so pretty.
Ooh, so cute.
So cute. Is this mine?
You clearly watch a lot of unboxing videos.
And then, recovery sheet. So you're meant to write your recovery code. And you have some documents here. Same as the other ledgers.
Yeah.
But this is touch screen, right?
Yeah, and it's just powered up.
Technology.
It's
Technology. Yeah.
it's got a new screen and it's e-ink now, which is like a lot better. It makes sounds. All right, guys, the game was too long, so we're not gonna show you the whole thing. But guys, if you guys have friends, which I hope you do, get this Monopoly game. It's gonna be a great way to build your friendships. By building your friendships, or destroy your friendships.
Destroy your friendships.
But either way, you're gonna have a lot of fun, and you're gonna have new friends. So, anyways, guys, play this game. Cheers, peace.
Cheese.
Cheese, peace. All right, peace out. Bye.
Cheese.
Cheese, peace. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Shout it out.